In this video today, I'm going to be talking about exactly what your budget should be when you're purchasing a car. We're starting right now. Alright, before we get started, if you like the videos we put out, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified each time we go live or post a new video. Okay, let's get right into it. First, let's talk about things that we should be aware of when we're thinking about our budget, when we're thinking about a car we want to purchase. Beware of wants and likes. Wants and likes and loves tend to eat up our budget. Okay, let's talk about ways that we can look at our budget in a different manner than we have in the past. Lots of times we purchase vehicles, we just figure out if we can afford them. Today we're going to go over this learned behavior that you can use to help make sure that you don't bust your budget when you're buying a new car. First thing I'm going to show you guys today is a car affordability calculator. A car affordability calculator. So if you follow along with me, I'm going to show you my screen. It's going to talk about exactly what your budget should be when you're buying a car. Okay, we're going to show you this on the screen. So when you get to car affordability calculator, you want to put in your annual income here, the interest rate you're looking at, down payment, trade value, and the length of the loan that you want to take out on the vehicle. Then hit the submit button. Down here is where you'll see your results. The max you can afford based on your total income, $21,000. Monthly payment is calculated at $386.75. Maximum recommended monthly payment, $500. So if you want to look at this yourself, go to Car Affordability Calculator. I'll put the link in the comments below. Now that we've looked at the calculator, let's go back and talk to one thing I pointed out earlier in the video, which is separating wants and likes from needs. We do need to retire one day and only want to have leather and a sunroof in the car. Write that one down for yourself. Hopefully it'll help you out. But when you're looking at vehicles or looking at anything you're purchasing, wants and likes and loves cost us a lot of time and a lot of money, so we want to stay away from them if we can and just focus on the things that we need. It needs to have 4 doors. It needs to be comfortable. It needs to be able to get me to school and back all year long. And we don't want to make exceptions to that. We don't want to go buy an older car that has some of the wants and likes, because that car will bite us later on. If we get an older car, finance it for a long period of time, that vehicle is going to start costing us a lot of money when it comes to repairs and maintenance and issues. So unfortunately for us, if a car doesn't fit our budget with all of our wants and likes, it's time for us to look in the mirror and go, you know what, I don't really need this, it's just a want. Let's stick with the stuff that I need. We'll spend less money. Okay, let's recap. Make sure you use the car affordability calculator. That'll help you figure out your budget on paper. Next, make sure you write down the wants and likes and loves and separate them from the needs. Make your decision-making process that much easier. The last thing is, don't go with the older car for a long financing term. Realize it's just too much car and we should probably drop the level of equipment that we have so that it does fit within our budget. I hope you like this video. Please comment below if you have questions. Also, like this video and share it with your friends and family. We'll be bringing you one each week.